I'm going to go get my fishing gear, and I'm going to have the wife's boy paddle me around the pond. What he doesn't know, though, is the boat's attached to the dock, so we're not going anywhere. So anyway, this ought to be funny. I'm going to go get my gear and bring him back, and we'll see what happens. I'll be back.
You ready?
Yep, go ahead, big dog. Just kind of paddle me around. I'll fish right through this area a little bit, and then just kind of paddle me to the other areas. Yeah, just kind of paddle me around, dude.
I know.
Let's just kind of head that way, kind of to the other side of the pond and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, all the good fish are on the other side of the pond. Just let's go ahead and go across the other side of the pond.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Bro, like sometime today, buddy.
I'm sorry, but you want to paddle? Or do you
Dude, I'm fishing, you're paddling. Just
I know.
Let's go to the other side of the pond.
So stop complaining.
That's all I need, the other side of the pond, bro.
I know, I'm going to get us there.
Okay.
I swear to God.
Dude, what are you doing?
I swear to God,
Bro.
shut up. I'm going to move this. I'm trying to. The boat's not moving. This isn't me at this point.
Bro, to go this way, you paddle that way.
I know, I'm paddling that way.
Okay.
God,
It's just the opposite.
I know.
There you go. Just keep paddling and keep pulling.
I'm trying.
Okay. I'm just
God.
I'm trying to help you.
I know, but I don't need your help. I know how to paddle.
Okay. But I feel like we haven't moved from this spot, so I don't feel like you. Oh, just missed it.
Now you're trying to hit me with the hook? God. I'm trying to move us. We're not moving. I don't know what's going on here.
Oh, you got this, big dog. Just dig, son. Go hard. There's a lot of weight in here. You just gotta go hard, dude.
I'm trying. I don't know what's going on here.
We'll try it.
What?
I don't know, bro. I don't know what you're doing.
Exactly. I don't know what I'm doing either, but I don't need your input.
Bro, listen, if we're going that way, there you go. You got it.
Yeah, I know, but we're not moving. I've been doing this the entire time.
You got this, big dog. Just keep digging. Put some muscle and put your back into it. Dude, don't break the boat.
I'm sorry, do you want to move?
Yeah, I would like to go to the other side of the pond.
Shut
dude.
up then. I swear to God, I'm going to figure it out. What's so funny? What's so funny?
Oh,
What is so funny?
I got us attached to the dock, dummy. You ain't paddling nowhere. I got us bungee corded to the dock.